Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't uploaded in a month or something. I don't know how long it actually has been. I don't think it was a month. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought, why not film a video where I get ready for work and I just take you guys on a journey with me. If you don't know who I am, what's up, my name is Eva. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my bathroom. Oh my god, my nose is so itchy. Mouthwash. I use this one, by the way. No, I'm not bothered to read it and tell you what it is, but I always use this company. Yeah. Then I'm gonna do my face skincare thing, I guess. I use the Image Skincare Vitamin C Serum because my face needs some vitamin C, because it's good for you, so I really recommend it. I just apply some to my hand and then apply it to my face. Do you know what? I laugh if my co-workers watch my videos. Like, that'd be so weird. I never hear the end of this. So then I go with some Clinique face cream. It's basically the Smart SPF 15 one. This is like cool, I guess. It's actually my mom's. I'm just using some of it because I ran out of face cream and I haven't had the chance to buy some, so I just use hers for the time being. I'm sorry, Mom. Hello, phone. And then I apply some Carmex because my lips are dry as shit at the moment. I'm guessing it's from how many times we've been out in the last week. Who is texting me? Yeah, that's my skincare routine for the morning. I did wash my face earlier before the video, so you didn't get to see that. I'll show you what I use though. I use the Tesco Kind and Pure for Sensitive Skin face wash. It's actually really good and has been helping me with my acne, so I'm kind of shocked. I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm not gonna do anything special because it's work. Usually what I do is just my base makeup and my brows and some highlighter, and that's about it, because I'm not going to no pageant show or you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna do my concealer first because that's what I do. I never do foundation first. Why, you may ask, is just because I've seen this professional makeup artist do it, where he did the concealer in first and contour first, and so now that's how I do my makeup. I'm gonna take like a flat brush and I'm gonna try and contour and try to look decent. I got so much to talk about, but the fact that people from my work have me on my social medias and can find my YouTube is god damn it, you know what I'm saying? Also, other people found my channel and I didn't even tell them about my channel. They just found it and I'm just like, well, that's just phenomenal, and he's probably gonna watch this. Great. I have so many stories to talk about, but the fact that I'm just shitting it that someone's just gonna find it is just kind of you know, I'm not trying to expose myself here. I'm just, I don't know. Guys, cosplay is finally over, to enter the competition now. So now they're gonna be picking the winner and stuff, and I'm crapping it. I'm just so scared. Oh my god. And the judges are so talented, and oh my god, it just scares me so much. Oh god, Lord, be with me on this day. My brows are absolutely so difficult to do. I just don't want to do them at all at this point. God damn it. Yeah, actually guys, I was out in a bar with a few friends and this guy approached me and he was asking me for my number, and I was just telling him I don't want to give you my number, you know, kind of thing, and he wouldn't leave me alone. And I was like, for the giggles and the shits and the jazzles, I told him I have a boyfriend, because usually when you tell someone you have a boyfriend, they piss off, right? No, not this case. The dude was just like, I like a challenge, and I was like, excuse me, like what the he was like drunk out of his mind. Well, not really drunk, he knew what he was doing, and he had his phone now ready to like type in my number, and I was like, boy, no, like leave please. He wouldn't leave, and I was like, I don't want your number, like I'm not gonna give it to you and everything. And he's like, you're saying no but your face is saying yes. And I was like, what the like, excuse me, like can you leave now, because I'm feeling so I felt so uncomfortable. I was like, what the hell is going on, you know what I'm saying? A friend of mine was like telling him like she doesn't want your number, he didn't give a fuck. So I was just like, I really would appreciate it if you just would piss off, I don't want your number, I'm not giving you my number, bye. And then he left. Like if I wanted something with a guy or something, like you'd catch me on Tinder, but I ain't on Tinder. Also, the other day, a woman in work felt me up. She wanted directions to an item, and while I was telling her, she kind of just like in a way hugged me and had her arm around me, and I was like, okay, it is weird. BRB while I do my brows, because I really cannot be talking and do my brows at the same time. Like I just can't do it, I really can't. So after trying to fix my brows for like a good while, and they're still looking ratchet, and I couldn't like get them to look any better than this, I am back. But yeah guys, this could be the end of the video. I know it's like being simple and all, but I've been filming for like more than half an hour actually, and I usually don't take that long to do my makeup or get ready and stuff. So I'll see you guys very soon. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like all that jelly jazz. And I'll see you guys very soon. I literally just said that like so many times. Like, oh, you okay? Or what's going on? Like, anyways, skidoodles.